Hello everyone, I am Achal. Welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix unidentified network in Windows 11. So there are 5 methods to fix this issue. Method number 1 is go to the search bar, and now in the search bar just type CMD. Right click over the search result command prompt and click on the option run as administrator. Click on yes. And now you have to execute some commands. I will give these commands in the video description, you can copy it from there. So the first command is netsh winsock reset, and after this just hit enter. Now the next command is netsh int ip reset log.txt, and now just hit enter. And now the next command is ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter. Now just type exit and hit enter. Now just restart your system, and after restarting your system just check whether your issue is resolved or not. So this was method number 1. If still the issue is not resolved in your system, then let's move to the method number 2. Go to the start button, right click over it and click on settings option. Now in the left hand side just click on network and internet. Now click on this option advanced network settings. And now for your Wi-Fi internet connection just click on the disable button. So this will disable the Wi-Fi adapter. Now wait for a few seconds and click on enable button. So this will enable the Wi-Fi adapter. So it is now enabled, and now just check whether your issue is resolved or not. Now close this window. So this was method number 2. If still the issue is not resolved in your system, then let's move to the method number 3. Now what you have to do is you just have to reset your Wi-Fi router. So just turn it off, wait for a few seconds and again turn it on. Then come to your laptop and try to connect to the internet. If you are using mobile internet, then just turn off your data and turn off the hotspot on your mobile. Wait for a few seconds and then turn on the data and the hotspot in your mobile. Then come back to your laptop or PC and then just try to connect to the internet. So this was method number 3. Now let's move to the method number 4. Just go to the search bar, and now in the search bar just type control panel. Click on the search result control panel, and now just make the view by as category. After this just click on network and internet. Now click on network and sharing center. Now here it will show your internet connection. Just click on it. Now click on properties button, and now click on internet protocol version 4. Then click on properties button. Now choose this option, obtain an IP address automatically. So just select it. Go down and choose this option, obtain DNS server address automatically. So just select it. After this just click on the OK button, click on the close button, click on close button, close this also, and now just check whether your internet is working or not. So yeah, it is working. So this was method number 4. If still the issue is not resolved in your system, then let's move to the method number 5. Go to the search bar, and now in the search bar just type CMD. Now right click on the search result command prompt. Click on the option run as administrator. Click on yes. And now you have to execute one command. So just type ipconfig space /all and hit enter. Now go to the search bar, and now in the search bar just type control panel. Just click on the search result control panel. Click on network and internet. Click on network and sharing center. Click on the internet connection. Click on properties button. Click on internet protocol version 4. Click on properties. And now just select this option, use the following IP address. And now in the IP address, just type this IP address 192.168.4332. So whatever the IPv4 address it is showing in your system, just type it here. (4332). And now in the subnet mask field, just click once, and you can see that it has automatically filled up. You just have to click once in the subnet mask field. And now in the default gateway, just type this IP address 192.168.431. 192.168.431 and 1. So the first three part will be same as the IP address, and the last part will be 1. And now in the preferred DNS server, just type 8888, and in alternate DNS server just type 8844. And now click on the OK button, click on close button, click on close this window, and close this window also. And now just check whether your internet is working or not. So these were the 5 methods that you can try out to fix unidentified network in Windows 11. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.